Blood. It's fresh. I think something is killing it. Something is here. Oh, look at this raindrop. Look how moldy and nasty. Oh, no. Oh, blood. It's fresh too. Oh man. Something. I hope this thing doesn't have ears, because we'll be hearing it. But I do. Wow, loser. There we go. Whoa, what's happening? What the crap? Whoa, yeah. No, kill him. Just escaped. I just knocked him over. Now where is he? Oh, yeah.